Hello, doctor.
Hi,
Welcome to Cosmo Super Speciality Clinic and Surgery Center.
thank you.
Sir, could you tell us about your experience? How was your experience in Cosmo?
I think it was fantastic. Dr. Chaudhary is very skillful and he's excellent at his work. People are afraid of dentists, even me being a doctor. I think I had a lot of queries. He solved all my queries. And it was a painless procedure, almost painless.
What procedure you had undergone in Cosmo?
I underwent two implants.
Okay.
And now a tooth has been made and you can see it. You won't be
Yes.
able to recognize which one is it. And there's one out here. So
Were you
this was a cap and these two were implants.
So were you afraid regarding implant treatment getting done anywhere, or thinking regarding implant that you have to get implant done?
I was terrified actually. That is the word. I was terrified, but I think it is not a very difficult procedure to undergo, at least for a patient. I mean, it's painless, much easier than a lot of other procedures, and it was done very quickly. I think Dr. Chaudhary is excellent at his skills. He's fast, and he is every time. The thing that I realized in him was that he tells you everything. Whenever he's giving a prick, and he knows there's going to be a little sensation, he'll tell you, "Thoda sensation hoga," and by the time you realize it's done.
Okay.
So that is an excellent experience that I had with him.
So that means you liked Dr. Chaudhary as well as team in Cosmo. Everything was very good.
It was very smooth. I'm very happy, and
Would you refer anyone to Cosmo Super Speciality Clinic?
yes, I mean, next in line is my wife and my kid. They're both of them coming after this. So, I mean, just today my wife was saying, I mean, finish yours and then I'm next.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.